Hello children, in this video I am going to discuss about the exercise number 6.1 in the chapter integer. First question is write the opposite of the following. Okay. Here we can find the opposite of the given statement. Right? So first question is increase in weight. In this question one keyword is present. Keyword is increase. So, we can find the opposite of that keyword. Right? What is the opposite of increase? Increase is decrease. So, answer is decrease in weight. Question number A. The answer is decrease in weight. Second question or B, 30 km north. In this question, the keyword is north. So, we can find the opposite of that keyword. Before that, I will show one figure showing the directions. Right? North, this is south, this is east, this is west. You know, you learn from the geography classes. Okay. Question is 30 km north. So, what is the opposite direction of north? That is south. So, the keyword of 30 km north is north. The opposite of north is south. The answer normally 30 km south. So, question number C. 80 meter east. In this question, same like the second question, showing the directions. The keyword is east. So, what is the opposite direction of east? East is west. So, answer is 80 meter west. Right? Then question number D. Loss of RS 700. Here the keyword is loss. So the opposite is profit. The answer is profit of RS 700. Profit of RS 700. Okay. Next is 100 meter above the sea level. The keyword present in the question is above. Above, the opposite is below. So, the answer of E is 30 meter below sea level. So, question number 2. Represent the following numbers as integers with appropriate sign. So, here we have 4 statements. We can find these statements as integers with appropriate sign. First of all, an aeroplane is flying at a height 2000 meter above the ground level. Okay, so one keyword is present in this question, that is above. And also we learned that something can be moved from the ground level to upwards, that indicates positive integer, and something go from downwards from the ground level or sea level, that indicates negative integer. So, the above indicates positive integer, right? Positive integer. So, question number A is a positive integer representing sentence. So, how we can find easily? We can identify the keyword from the sentence. Then we can easily go to the answer, right? So above indicates positive integer. So the sign is plus. Then we can find the number. The aeroplane is flying 2000 meter. So the digit is 2000 meter. Okay. Then question number B. A submarine is moving at a height 800 meter below the sea level. So you know the submarine is always moving under the sea water. So it represents a negative integer, right? So below the ground level, the submarine is moving always below the ground level. So it indicates the negative integer. So below indicates a negative integer. Okay. So the answer is a negative integer. First we can put the negative sign. Then the digit representing is 800 meter. So we can write the 800 meter. So we finished the question number B. Minus 800 meter. Question number C. A deposit of rupees 200. That is the question based on the or related to the bank or money, right? So deposit indicates what? It indicates to the increase of our amount present in the account, right? So deposit is represent a positive integer. Okay. So question number C is a positive integer. What is the amount? Amount is rupees 200. So sign is plus because deposit indicates a positive integer. So we can put the positive sign. In the case of positive integer, we can or we should write with or without a positive sign. So we can avoid this plus sign. Or D. Withdrawal of rupees 700. So withdrawal indicates decrease in the amount of our money from the account. So withdrawal is a negative integer, right? So the answer of D is withdrawal of rupees 700. Withdrawal indicates negative integer, so we can put the negative sign first. Then the digit representing is rupees 700. So negative rupees sign and 700. So we finished the second question.